Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been probably like 6 months since I last uploaded a video, but I wanted to let you guys know, if you're not aware, that my family and I moved recently. We moved in the end of September to Japan. That's right. We live in Japan again. And if you're saying again, you're like, what? For those that aren't aware, we're also a military family. My husband's active duty Navy, and this is our 5th move, I think, in 9 years. So yeah, but our first move with a toddler. And this is actually our 2nd time living in Atsugi, Japan. That's where we are currently stationed, and we'll be here probably for about 3 years. And the last time we were here for 4 years. But the last time we were here, we didn't have any children, so it was quite different, and there was no pandemic. This time we have a toddler, and we PCS'd in the middle of a pandemic, and that was quite adventurous. The plane rides were hard. The quarantine was hard, but we made it through. And yeah, so that's a little update. Anyways, I filmed a video back in October of this empty house tour of our 2-bedroom garden apartment that we were offered on base, and I never got around to uploading it. And I know you guys have wanted to see where I live, so I thought that would be a good video to show you guys, because yeah, we do have our furniture now. As you can see, my bed's back here, but I don't have it decorated the way I really want it yet. So I thought I would first show you guys the empty apartment tour, and then maybe later on, when we get everything decorated the way we want it, I can show you guys a furnished apartment tour. Just to give you guys a background, we had a 3-bedroom house in Jacksonville, 3-bedroom, 2-car garage. I think it was like 1,800 square feet, and we sold it when we PCS'd, and we moved here. At the time, the base, just with everything going on with the pandemic, their contracts weren't renewed for their cleaning crew and the people that come and paint the units, so they only had 1 unit available. And it's 2 bedrooms. It's a 2-bedroom, like 800 square foot. We were in a 2-bedroom last time we were here, and we were hoping this time we would get a 3-bedroom just because, you know, it was years ago. But no, we still got a 2-bedroom, but we're making it work. It's just my husband, myself, and our 2-year-old. I filmed this video when I was still getting over jet lag. We had literally just got out of quarantine. We were quarantined in a 1-bedroom hotel room for like 16 days. I'm talking 1 bedroom, didn't even have, only door that was there was like the door to leave, and you couldn't leave your hotel room at all, and the door to the bathroom. So we were all surviving with our toddler, and he pretty much ran the show for the 2 weeks. So we were tired, but we were happy to get this apartment because we were happy to have 2 bedrooms so our son would have his own room again. But anyways, in the video you can tell like my voice is kind of like tired, and I was kind of maybe a little irritated because yeah, you just the jet lag and whatnot, but we're happy to be here. Last time we were here, we didn't have a child, so it was different, and there was no pandemic. We got to explore a lot. This time, you know, we have our son, and then all the rules going on with the pandemic. We haven't really been able to explore much, but we're hoping maybe this year with things that are changing, and if everything goes well, we'll be able to get out and explore more. I have missed you guys. I have been wanting to upload, but it's been hard. We had waited, I think 3 months to get our stuff. We had our pack out in, I think, the end of August. They packed up our house in Jacksonville, and it took 3 months to get our stuff here. Partly the reason I haven't been able to film, plus the internet on base is not that great. If you've been stationed in Atsugi, Japan, you know what I'm talking about. The internet stinks on base. But if you live out in town, which you don't really get the option right now to live out in town unless they don't have any units available for you, your internet's way better out in town. But on base, there's only 1 provider, and the internet stinks. So that's another reason. Plus trying to get my crafts out. You'll see in the house tour, the empty house tour that I filmed a few months ago, that I just don't have the space right now. Right now we have my crafts stored in the storage closet that's outside our front door in like storage totes. And then I do have my Cricut on my desk and my computer and a couple, like some containers of vinyl, but I really haven't had time to craft or get it all out just because our lack of space. But I'm hoping next couple months my husband and I are going to get together and try to organize things a bit better, so I'll be able to craft more for you guys and get back to that. I'm sorry I'm rambling on. I'm just giving you guys an update. Also, I figured this video might be helpful for anyone that is stationed or going to be stationed on Atsugi and wants to know what the 2-bedroom garden apartments look like. You guys can keep watching to see my tour that I filmed back in October of my empty house. Comment down below, let me know how you guys are doing and what kind of videos you want to see from me in the future. I'm still getting my groove back, and you know, I still want to stick to crafting, but maybe if we ever get to mid-trail, I can film a couple things out in town and stuff for you guys. If you're new here, I'd love for you to stick around, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification if you want to be notified when I upload a video. Also, if you hit that thumbs up, it really helps me out. And I just want to give a shout out to Haley. I told her I would say hello. So Haley, I miss you and I hope you're doing well. And I just wanted to give you a shout out because I promised you I would. Anyways, just keep watching so you guys can see my empty apartment tour when we moved in. Hey everyone, this is the house we've been offered, 3134H. It's a garden apartment. It is on the top, on the second floor, so that's kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. All right, this would be the living room. We have a balcony. Decent size. And then there's a little park back in the middle of all these garden apartments. We do not have a yard though, so that's kind of a bummer, but we do have this balcony. That yard down there is the people that would live below us. And then this is our view from the dining room. You can see like out in town, those are all the Japanese houses. This is our pantry. Decent size. Some storage up here. We have a washer and dryer in here. Some more storage. Then this is the kitchen. We have a double sink, so that's kind of nice. Lots of cabinets. We have a dishwasher. You can definitely tell it's been used, but hey, we got a dishwasher, so that's not bad. We have a stove. We have a refrigerator. Alex already knows how to open that, so that'll be fun to try to keep him out of. All right, then we have 2 rooms. I think this one is the smaller one, so this will probably be Alex's room. It's very tiny. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm standing in the corner, so like. He has a decent sized closet though. It's pretty nice. Actually, it might even be bigger than the closet he had in Jacksonville. And then a nice bit of storage up on top. He's got a view, at least I think this will be Alex's room. We'll have to see how the furniture fits. He's got a view of the park and stuff. So that's nice. This little hallway. We have 1 bathroom, which that kind of stinks because we went from having 2 bathrooms to 1 bathroom. Yeah, so that'll be fun. Then I think this is a linen closet. We can store like towels and whatnot and bedding and stuff. And I think this will be our room. It's a little bit bigger. Not by much though. We have the same view that the living room has of like out in town. There's our closet. Yeah, so see if I can stand in the corner so you can get a better shot. But yeah, this room's a little bit bigger than the other room, but not by much. So yeah, that is pretty much it. We've only been offered 1 house. This is all that's available, so we kind of have to take it because we have no other choice. So there you go.